Welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to unexclude muted chats from a folder on the Telegram app for PC following the latest update. If you've previously set up a folder to hide muted chats but now want to see them again, these easy steps will help you bring them back. Start by opening the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where all your chats and folders are visible. On the left side of the app, you'll see your list of folders. Find the folder from which you want to unexclude muted chats. Right-click on that folder's name. This will open a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Edit Folder. This will bring up the folder settings window where you can customize which chats are included or excluded from this folder. In the folder settings, look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of different types of chats you might have chosen to exclude, including muted chats. Find the checkbox next to Muted. If it's checked, that means muted chats are currently being excluded from your folder. To unexclude them, simply uncheck the box next to Muted. This tells Telegram to include muted chats in this folder again. Once you've made this change, click the Save button at the bottom of the settings window. Your folder will now update, and muted chats will appear alongside your other chats in that folder. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can easily manage which chats appear in your Telegram folders, giving you full control over your chat organization. Whether you want to keep muted chats hidden or bring them back, Telegram's folder settings make it simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Telegram experience.